Okay, y'all, we're back in the kitchen. About 2 tablespoons. We're gonna put it back in there for like, I'm gonna show you a trick to get your skin off of your salmon fillets. Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get your skin to come off of your salmon fillets. Simple and easy. If you want to cook a salmon fillet and you hate that skin on it, I'm going to show you how to get it to come off. And we're going to cook these salmon fillets in the air fryer. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is get my fillet turned over. Now see that big old thick piece of skin on there? We like to take that off. I don't like that on my salmon. Put you a pot of boiling water on and get it to boiling pretty good. You want it very hot. Okay, I'm gonna lay my fillet over here in the sink. Get it real flat. Okay, our water's almost to the boiling point. We're gonna let it go just a few more minutes. That's good and hot. We're gonna cut that off. We're gonna bring our water over here to our fillet. And I'm gonna take and I'm just gonna pour this water right over the top of that skin. We're going to let it sit there for just a few minutes, probably 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to just start at this end. And we're just going to, now we can just take and peel that skin right off of our fillet. So if you like salmon and you don't like cooking it with that big old thick piece of skin on it, this is a little trick you can do. Just comes right off. Like I said, sometimes it's just hard to get a hold of it, but once you get a hold of it and get it started, it's just, you barely just pull on it, and that big old thick piece of skin just comes right off for you. This is a little trick Travis showed me when we started buying salmon fillets. So now we have a big piece of our salmon fillet, and we don't have that thick piece of skin on it. So now we're going to rinse this just a little to get those little bitty tiny pieces of skin off of it. And now we're going to take this over there and we're going to get it ready to cook in the air fryer. We're going to do some salt, some black pepper, some turmeric, ever how y'all say it. Some garlic powder. Some total seasoning. And now we're just going to squeeze some lemon juice right over the top. Hey, I'm going to cut it right in half so I can fit it in my air fryer. I'm going to spray the air fryer with some avocado oil. And now we'll just place both fillets down in the air fryer. Okay, we have the air fryer on 350 for 15 minutes. We're going to check our salmon. Okay, we're going to take it out of the air fryer. And we're going to put some butter on top of it. We're going to put it back in there for like 30 seconds. Ooh, did y'all ever think salmon could be that good? Think you could cook salmon in the air fryer? Okay, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video on how we do our salmon and how to get that skin off of your fillets. I hope you like our video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, thanks for watching.